very good morning and a warm welcome at this hour of GHRCE News Desk, where the year 2023 is coming to end, but the action never ceases to end at GHRCE News Desk. So what's in store today? Let's see. Toppers and students peer teachers award ceremony at GHRCE College of Engineering was ceremonized on October 21st. A cash prize of rupees 5,000 and 2,500 along with appreciation certificate was awarded to first topper and second topper in each section. Gold medals were bestowed upon overall topper from each branch. During this event, the certificates for peer teaching were also awarded to peer teaching students. Furthermore, the institute felicitated the students who had successfully completed one semester at other prestigious institutes like IIT Gandhinagar, Center of Excellence Pune and IIT Nagpur through Credit Transfer Scheme 22-23 session. A total of 147 students awardee beneficiary for the 22-23 sessions were recognized during a felicitation ceremony. Moving on to the second news, NSS badge distribution ceremony held on 25th October. Now, National Service Scheme of GHRCE College of Engineering, Nagpur, is active in conducting several social activities in the society. Every year, new student members are selected as office bearers under this forum. To enhance the confidence and to appreciate the efforts taken by all these students, a badge distribution ceremony was held at GHRCE on 25th October 2023. The aim is to inaugurate the new committee of NSS, Red Ribbon Club, Ek Bharat Shresht Bharat and Green Club for the session 23-24. The event was graced by the presence of P.I. Shri Pandurang Sonavne, Special Branch Nagpur, serving as a chief guest, whose impassioned speech highlighted the importance of community service and the potential impact of NSS on society. The event was successfully conducted by a whole NSS volunteer under the supervision of Dr. Mangesh Borkar, the NSS Program Officer, and Dr. Sachin Untavle, Director, GHRCE College of Engineering, Nagpur. The third news, workshop based on learning virtual machine. A workshop based on learning virtual machine was organized by DIC Department Nexus Forum in collaboration with Ethical Hacking, Web Designing and Coding Club, which took place on October 6th at F10 from 1 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. The speaker, Mr. Rohit Ingole, student from 5th semester data science, marked a significant educational milestone in the world of cloud computing. With an impressive record of over 50 completed machine learning projects and the authorship of 3 impactful research papers in the field, Rohit brought a wealth of experience to the august gathering. Indoor sports competition. On October 12th, an exciting indoor sports competition was organized by the Department of DIC in collaboration with the Mechanical Department. The event featured a range of indoor games including carom, chess, table tennis and pool. The event occurred inside the GHRCE and the venue was the sports room. Over 100 students actively took part and reaped the advantage. National level LAN gaming competition. On 16th and 17th of October, the Student Representative Council SRC organized a momentous gathering at the Swami Vivekanand Hall, GHRC. The event was attended by 232 students and had the honor of welcoming Dr. Kapil Jajulwar sir. The event conducted was National Level LAN Gaming Competition organized by HP India Private Limited, Nagpur. Forum Installation Ceremony. The Grand Forum Installation Ceremony on 19th of October brought together students and faculty from DIC, Master of Business Administration, Mechanical Engineering and Civil Engineering departments. With around 300 attendees, the event aimed to strengthen collaboration and recognize forum members' efforts. EKAKSHARA event. The EKAKSHARA event was held at the GHRC, Nagpur from 19/9 to 28/9. This is one of the most graceful events celebrated every year in GHRC. Various competitions and events are organized by different forums of different departments. During the EKAKSHARA event on 20th September 2023, ETRX department organized the Aarti at 5 p.m. in the ground floor. The Ganesh Aarti performed with great devotion and enthusiasm. The Aarti was led by Ignite Academy alumni of RGI Group, Nagpur, and attended by ETRX department and other students. Ganpati Festival Photography and Videography. The online event Ganpati Festival Photography and Videography provides a platform for individuals to showcase their skills and potential across various talents, especially for freshers to illustrate their expertise and hobbies. The event Ganpati Festival Photography and Videography was conducted by Forum Zenith and Hobby Club Pixel at E23 Lab of Electronics Department. There were 21 participants and the event was judged by Professor Karuna Bogawar, Assistant Professor PCE, Nagpur. Industrial visit to ISRO, Nagpur. The Electronics Department of GHRCE College of Engineering organized a one-day industrial visit to ISRO Regional Remote Sensing Center, Central, Nagpur on 4th October for the 5th semester third year students. Total 41 students, 2 faculty members were taken to the visit. IEEE SB 62361 GHRC IEEE Day Celebration. GHRC celebrated IEEE Day on 7th October 2023. The event commenced with a chair address by the chapter chairs welcoming the attendees and setting the tone for the celebration. The director of the institutions delivered an inspiring address highlighting the significance of IEEE in fostering technological advancements. The chief guest, Mr. Arvind Kumar, Central Head TCS Nagpur, shared his valuable insights into the world of technology and its future. A symbolic IEEE themed cake cutting ceremony was held, signifying unity and celebration. To honor IEEE EEE enthusiast badge distribution was conducted by the esteemed chief guest, Mr. Arvind Kumar, and Dr. Lakshman Thakre, under whose vigilance the event was organized. Forum installation. A successful forum installation of all departments was put in order by a cluster of 5 forums of CSE, IT, AI, Electrical and ETRX, ETC departments on 20th October at GHRCE auditorium. The event was lighted up with the presence of all the respected HODs and faculties. President and vice president of each forum were rendered their respective badges. This was followed by delivering of badges to post holders of all departments by the respective HODs. CSR activity by IEEE student branch. A CSR activity conducted by IEEE SB GHRC in collaboration with Skyline Foundation NGO at Hanuman Mandir Samaj Bhavan, Narsala, Nagpur on October 2022. This was a resounding success. It not only imparted valuable skills to the local students but also created a sense of social responsibility and community engagement. Such initiatives play a crucial role in shaping a brighter and more informed future for the community. One-day National E-Summit on 3D printing and its biomedical application was organized, and this was the Center of Excellence 3D Printing, Department of Mechanical Engineering in association with AICT, Idea Lab, GHRCE College of Engineering on 21st October 2023. Now this summit was mainly focused on imparting knowledge and skill on advances of 3D printing technology and its potential in biomedical fields like design of various parts implants in our anatomy, creation of virtual anatomical model by using latest biomedical software, mimics and 3matics, and prosthetic surgery planning, which could be very much helpful to medical practitioners for their surgery planning before actual complex surgery. Well, we have come to the end of 2023 GHRC News Desk, but hope to catch up with more advancement, enhancements and quality in the GHRC News Desk. Until we meet, here is Manish Nair signing off and asking you all to take care of yourself. Thank you.